Hey there, strategic thinkers. Welcome back. Ever feel like you're staring at a problem and can't quite see what's causing it? Today, we're exploring the Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa Diagram, combined with ChatGPT and Napkin AI to break down issues into clear, visual causes. Let's jump right in. The Fishbone Diagram is simple in concept. The head of the fish is your problem, and each bone represents a category of causes, like people, processes, equipment, environment, or materials. Then you branch out sub-causes under each bone. With ChatGPT at your side, you'll quickly define and explore each cause, systematically mapping out even the trickiest issues. Here's how to do it, step by step. Define the problem. State it clearly. For example, agent is overwhelmed by administrative tasks. List main categories, bones, people, processes, equipment, environment, materials. ChatGPT can help brainstorm. Sketch the diagram. Think of a fish skeleton with the problem at the head, bones for each category. Add subcauses. Under each category, list specific issues or potential reasons. ChatGPT helps you expand these quickly. Identify patterns. Look for repeating themes or common threads across categories. Pinpoint likely cause and solutions. Which subcause stands out? Brainstorm fixes with ChatGPT. Implement and check results. Did that fix reduce the problem? If not, repeat the process, tweak, and adapt. Imagine your real estate team's biggest headache is time management. You gather categories: people, clients, staff, processes, scheduling, follow-ups, equipment, software, hardware, environment, distractions, office layout, materials, forms, listings. With ChatGPT, you discover that out-of-date scheduling tools and no standard workflow lead to the biggest meltdown. So, you adopt an automated calendar and create a quick scheduling SOP. 2 weeks later, you see a 20% time savings. That's the Fishbone method in action. For a visual, we simply copy the output from ChatGPT and paste it into Napkin AI. And that's Fishbone Diagram with the power of ChatGPT. Turn confusion into clarity. Remember, define your problem, list main categories, add subcauses, spot patterns, then fix. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, for deeper dives into ChatGPT's problem solving. Let's keep exploring new tools. Together, we'll tackle any challenge bone by bone.